Hi, in this video we'll be talking about how you can unlock the Astera Data Warehouse Builder client with the license key. Once you've configured the server and logged in with the admin credentials, go to the server option in the main menu, hover over configure and select step 3 enter license key from the context menu. A license management window will appear on your screen. You can also access this window through the manage server license option in the Tools section of the main menu or from the Server Explorer. On the License Management window, click on Unlock using a key. Here, enter the required credentials, your name, organization, and the product key provided to you by Astera. Once you've filled in the details, click Unlock. A pop-up message will indicate that your license has successfully been activated. Click OK. Finally, you will be notified that the server license has changed, and the client will shut down for the new license to take effect. When you open the client application again, you should be able to access its full features. So this is how you can unlock the Astera Data Warehouse Builder client with a license key. For more information on the product, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.